on Reefscape.
Alrighty, and with that, we start off our autonomous period. Robots are going for that coral reef for the most part. We see a successful coral on the Blue Alliance. 4272 Maverick Robotics shooting for that level 4. Each of those will be worth 7 points for their alliance. That 3 coral Anton is highly coveted and has been what has pulled some robots ahead in matches. Moving over to Teleop. We see over on the Red Alliance, the Robo Blazers focusing on getting to that coral reef along with their alliance partner Panther Tech and Wiley Wildbots. 10-4-3-4 playing some defense over on the Red Alliance side with 3 robots that have quick coral reef cycle times. This could be key to Blue being able to close the gap between the lead in this match. Right now we have a score of Red 53 to Blue 51. Obviously very close. As we move throughout Teleop, we may see that change with 3 robots trying to score on the coral reef for the Red Alliance, but only 2 attempting to score for Blue. Across the field, we see a lot of focus on coral specifically. That is the higher scoring game piece on average. And there are a lot of different ways to score with there being 4 different levels. Curious to see here as we move throughout the match if the teams are going to focus on getting that coral reef rank point. It seems like 4272 is trying to attempt that. If these teams, without the cooperation bonus, are able to get 5 coral on each of the levels on the coral reef, they will receive an additional rank point, which those 5th and 6th rank points, while hard to get, are key when determining the rankings at this point. 4272 now moving to focus on the barge. Each of those scored by the robot specifically are 4 points. If they move to the processor with the human player, they will then be worth 6. .4272 successfully gets another on level 3. If they are able to cycle and get 5 on level 3, then they only have to focus on level 2 moving forward. However, they're running out of time. That does signal the end game. Panther Tech quickly climbing over to their deep cage. That would be 12 points for their alliance if they're able to ascend. With how close the match is, these climbs are critical. Both Maverick Robotics and the Robo Blazers are climbed. Panther Tech is parked, and unfortunately, the Wildbots are not able to do the same. Let's see how things shake out with final scores. What really pulled ahead the Blue Alliance here was that barge scoring. While I didn't see that as a focus for the majority of the match, 4272 did shift their strategy at the end, and that led to them being successful and victorious in this match. Congratulations to Maverick Robotics, Cybears, and Boss Bite Force.